Bonjour!
Bonjour!
Je m'appelle Joe.
Je m'appelle John. Good morning.
Good morning, everyone.
Yep. And today, where are we?
We're here in dun, 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 Nice, France.
Yep. And where are we actually? What do you say it?
It's French Riviera, or in other terms, it's Côte d'Azur.
Côte d'Azur. And yep. So first, we're gonna be going for the beach, of course.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna show you around Nice. And hopefully you'll join us for today's exploration. Join us, and let's start the day.
And let's have fun.
And let's have fun to the beach.
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, this is the setup for today. And just to let you know, guys, the beach here, it's filled with pebbles or rock. If you are a sandy kind of beach lover, you might not find this area here likable, but for us who lives in the city, we couldn't really care. It only took us about 5 to 10 minutes just to get here. So our hotel is close to the airport, like literally it's like in front of the hotel is the airport. And the tram station is about 2-minute walk away from there. So we just took the tram, paid €1.50, and now we're here. That's it. That's all you need, guys, to see good beach. Very nice beach, amazing views. Amazing views, if you know what I mean. No, she's not the view. That's the view. Right, since we're just walking right now, let's stop for a while and tell them what's the itinerary for today. So first one, we're going to
the Russian Orthodox Cathedral. Next is Nice Cathedral.
What's next?
Next is Palace Lascaris.
Next.
Or Lascari, whatever. Next would be Castle Hill,
Yeah,
Colline du Château.
That's the famous overlooking area here.
Yeah. And the last
one is the old town.
Walking around the old town.
Yep. Here we are after almost 15 minutes of walking. Behind us is the
St. Nicholas Russian Orthodox Cathedral in Nice. It belongs to the Russian Federation, but it is recognized as a national center of attraction in Nice. And as you can see,
you can see what?
The onion domes resemble the St. Petersburg Church in, where is it? In Moscow as well.
Next up is Nice Cathedral, and we're gonna fly you there, guys, because for you guys it'll be quick. For us, we need to walk. How far?
We take the tram, so it's 30 minutes in total.
Yeah, so 30 minutes in total for us, probably 0.5 seconds for you guys. All right, see you there. Scratch that. Because no, it's not really that bad. I mean, I meant the detour I was saying earlier. because this is the Castle Hill, I guess. And we were planning to like do it last.
So guys, we just reached the top of the Castle Hill, which provides a panoramic view of the Promenade de Jonglei and the whole of Nice actually. It was a 7 to 15 minute hike. It was uphill and tiring, but it was also worth it. Along the way, we also saw a gem, which is the waterfall underneath this area. It's very beautiful and you can actually come close to face it. As we passed by, it cooled down our bodies because the water was splashing right in front of us and it was so refreshing. It was amazing. We also saw a lot of beautiful things here, such as cafes, mini parks, playgrounds for children, and different viewpoints around the area. Also, we were supposed to go to the Nice Cathedral earlier, and we got diverted to come here instead. Now, we decided that we're not going there anymore because we could see it right here. The Nice Cathedral is on the area. We just took a photo because it's closed anyway, we couldn't go in. So this actually caps our itinerary for today. After this is gonna be free flowing, so we'll just do whatever we can do along the way.
How was it?
Why are you laughing?
How was
Are
it?
you drunk?
I'm drunk.
So we just finished our dinner and cocktails, guys. We found this gem amongst the restaurants here. There's quite loads, but I don't know why I was tugged. There was a certain tug towards the restaurant. So
Yeah. Restaurant was nice as well.
yeah, when I looked
Has
at the
this-
menu,
It has this American
Yeah.
vibe to it. Of course, because the name is like Blast California Kitchen.
and it's an American bar. The
and-
menu is
And
mainly
it's fairly cheap in there. We've spent around 30 quid for a whole big plata.
we
of
ordered
s-
Mexican platter and 2 cocktails.
Yep. So yeah, guys, that's it. We're just gonna continue roaming around and see what the evening is like here in Nice. How do you call it? How do you say it?
This is the nightlife here.
Nightlife, yeah. So we are back here in our hotel, guys. Before I forget, I'm gonna show you our room. Room tour. Actually, there's nothing much here, but anyways, I'm gonna show it to you guys. Wait. So that's the room. We got desk there, chair. We got a little bit of a cabinet something, and then you can hang your clothes right there. Bin. Actually, this is a 2 single bed, but we decided to like put them together, and this is like the center piece there. So we decided to just move it there and then squeeze the 2 beds together. And then before I forget, as a toilet. Toilet is a bit weird, cause you're like have you been in a cruise ship or something? Well, felt like it. If you're in a cruise ship, cause it's really small, and then it's all plasticky feel. Sink, mirror, of course, the most important one. Shower. So that's the toilet, guys. You got that there, whatever in the wall, and your TV, which all the channels you'll never understand because they are all in French. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's our room tour done. Thank you for watching, guys. Till next time, say goodbye. Au revoir. Au revoir. Alright, guys, good night. We're going to sleep. I'm really tired.